Hello, dear viewers. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome again to our new episode. Today, I'm going to share a unique topic with you. See, our today's topic is mistakes in WH words. That means we make some mistakes in WH word. We know there are almost 9 WH words we commonly use in our country. Among them, we have problem in 5 WH words. Today, I will try to cover this area for you. So, watch the full video and get a complete solution of this problem. So, let's start. Among the 5, the first one is C. W-H-A-T. We mispronounce it hot. Sorry, we should say what. Speak with me. What, and what. Now repeat 10 times. Okay. See the uses. Number 1. We mispronounce it. What is your name? Please don't say this again. Speak with me. What's your name? Again, what's your name? Now you can change here too. What's your father's name? What's your mother's name? What's your brother's name? Uses number 2. Give me what I want. Don't say give me what I want. So try to say give me what I want. You can change here give me what I like. Give me what I suggest. Give me what I expect. In this way, make your own sentences. Now, problem number 2. Problem number 2 is the word W-H-I-C-H. We mispronounce it which. Sorry, we should pronounce correctly. We should say which. Again, which. Repeat with me. Which, and which. Now repeat 10 times. Okay. See the practices. Number 1 is which book do you want? Which book do you want? Don't say which book do you want. Speak with me. Which book do you want? Now you can change. Which book do you buy? Which book do you suggest? Uses number 2. Buy the dress which I like. Don't say buy the dress which I like. Speak with me. Buy the dress which I like. Buy the dress which I suggest. Buy the dress which I expect. Sell the dress which I sell. In this way, make your own sentences. Now, problem number 3. Problem number 3 is the word W-H-E-R-E. We mispronounce it where. Sorry, we should pronounce correctly. The word is wire. Again, wire, 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 and wire. Now repeat 10 times. Okay. Now see the uses. Number 1, where do you live? Don't say where do you live. Speak with me. Where do you live? Now change. Where do you play football? Where do you catch fish? Where do you watch TV? Uses number 2. I know where Soto lives. Don't say I know where Soto lives. So try to say I know where Soto lives. Now change. I know where Soto studies. I know where bicycle sleeps. I know where Salman play cricket. Okay, so make your own sentences. Okay, now problem number 4. Problem number 4 is, see the word. The word is WHEN. We mispronounce it when. Sorry, the word is when. So when, and when. Now repeat 10 times. Okay, see the uses. Number 1, when. So when do you study? Don't say when do you study. Try to speak when do you study. Now change. When do you sleep? When do you take your dinner? When do you complete your home tasks? Okay, now 2. Call me when you come. Don't say call me when you come. Try to say call me when you come. Call me when you go. Call me when you leave the place. Call me when you cook biryani. Okay, so make your own sentences. Now problem number 5. Problem number 5 is the word WHY. We mispronounce it why. Sorry, the word is why. Only the letter Y. So why, and why. Okay, now repeat 10 times. Okay, see the uses. Number 1 is, why do you cry? Don't say why do you cry. Try to say why do you cry. Now change. You can say why do you walk? Why do you run? Why do you sleep? Uses number 2. Tell me why you cry. Don't say tell me why you cry. Try to say tell me why you cry. Tell me why you cook biryani. Tell me why you hate me. Tell me why you learn English. So this is the practice. Now let's have a recap. All 5 words. 1. What, which, where, when, and why. So dear friends and viewers, keep practicing, keep learning. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.
প্রিয় ভিউয়ার, আপনি যদি আমাদের চ্যানেলে নতুন হয়ে থাকেন তাহলে চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন এবং পাশের বেল আইকনটি বাজিয়ে দিন আমাদের সকল ভিডিও এর নোটিফিকেশন সবার আগে পাওয়ার জন্য। আমাদের একটি অন্যতম মহৎ লক্ষ্য হলো ইংলিশ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ শেখার জন্য একটি নির্ভরযোগ্য ও উন্মুক্ত প্ল্যাটফর্ম সৃষ্টি করা, যাতে করে দেশের আনাচে কানাচে বসবাসকারী প্রত্যেক শিক্ষার্থী ঘরে বসে ইংলিশ শিখতে পারে। তাই এই ভিডিওটি শেয়ার করে আমাদের এই ক্ষুদ্র প্রচেষ্টার আপনিও একজন গর্বিত অংশীদার হতে পারেন। এছাড়াও আপনাদের সহযোগিতা ও গঠনমূলক সুপরামর্শ একান্ত কাম্য।